Chinese people love to be clear and straightforward from the beginning. Being clear and straightforward means that we are accustomed to stating the most important things at the first and most crucial moments. So, the first sentence of the Dao De Jing is the most important sentence in the entire text, consisting of just 6 Chinese characters. The Dao that can be spoken is not the eternal Dao. Laozi brings up the concept of the Dao at the beginning, indicating its importance. But what does Dao mean? Laozi posits that the universe has a fundamental entity called the Dao, which has always existed eternally, even before the formation of Earth. This is the greatest inspiration Laozi gives us. The Dao exists eternally in the universe. All living beings have birth and death, but the Dao in the universe remains unchanged. The I Ching tells us that there is an unchanging part in the universe, which is the Dao. Laozi says, the Dao gives birth to 1, 1 gives birth to 2, 2 gives birth to 3, and 3 gives birth to all things. The Dao can give birth to all things, as if it is the master of all things. It gives birth to human beings and accompanies them throughout their lives without abandoning them. However, its precious and lovable characteristic is that the Dao does not control people. It nurtures people, sustains them, but does not dominate them. Just like how every one of us is born from our parents, we are all quite similar at birth. But later behaviors vary greatly. Some people act this way, some that way, some say this, some sing that, which shows that the Dao is broad and gives us complete freedom. This is the characteristic of the Dao. What is the Dao? It's the fundamental principle of the universe, according to ancient Chinese philosophy. It's eternal, unchanging, and gives birth to all things. The Dao accompanies us through life but doesn't control us. It's like a loving parent, nurturing us with freedom to grow and evolve. Join us for Dao De Jing Workshop 1, Understanding the Essence of Dao. Sign up now.